All right, I got a new plan, new mission today. I gotta build a bird feeder before we head to town so we can get some cool footage of some birds for you guys. We've had this little rinky-dinky bird feeder in our window, and honestly, it's been getting some traction. We got a downy woodpecker, some black-crested chickadees, and some type of finch, I don't remember. Yellow-breasted finch? You bird people would know. I would have never thought I'd be so into birds, but I gotta get some supplies together and get this thing built real quick. All right, well, I was gonna use my tailgate as a platform to work on, but it's a little frozen. Frozen? We got a plan B around here. Comes in clutch. Check out that setup. Now we're gonna need our supplies and our tools. A couple shelf brackets, accent piece, Tapcon, stone anchors, drill. Don't matter the brand of drill as long as it drills. Screws, tape measure, 1,000 bits. You have to have 1,000 bits. And of course, the perch. This is a piece of oak that I had left over from a shelf that I put in our house. Oh, I'm missing one crucial item. And of course, the torch. What would you need a torch for? We're gonna burn that wood right there. We're gonna seal it up because it's gonna be exposed to the elements. Alaska's got a lot of elements. We're gonna get this bad boy sealed up tight so that we can put birdseed on it and our turkey birdies can eat off of that bad boy. Don't wanna melt your table. So we're gonna mount one here and one on this rock right here. Where am I gonna want the bottom of my bracket to be? That's bottom of my bracket. The drill bit, so you can drill into your stone. Problem is, I don't think the heads are big enough. Yeah, see, right through that bad boy. So I want to put 2 of them in there. I'm thinking I might just drill 2 new holes because I don't want to put washers. That would work. I could put one there and one there. Let's drill through that bad Johnny. So that's my line. The only bit I have winds up dulling out and I can't use it. So I decided I'm going to put the borders on while I figure out a plan B to put this thing on the window. Highlights on this bad boy. Get this thing mounted on here is like that's a cool little piece, huh? I got these cool natural birch shelves we made. We're gonna shave the live edge off of these bad boys. That one like fits in good right there. Like that. All right. That's kind of cool. That one's a little bit more weathered. Birdie's gonna come in. All right, plan B. Drilling through the stone didn't work. You need a hammer drill. I don't have a hammer drill that fits that kind of bit, and I don't want to go buy a bit. So we're gonna go try and drill this thing into the wood frame of the window and then do some kind of holders that go down and just wedge into the rocks. You need to do a brace from here to here out of a piece of metal. I think I have a piece of metal in the greenhouse. That's where everybody keeps their metal, right? Right there, there it is. Next to their hard hat. Nice wide piece of flat bar right here, nice and thin. This will be easier to bend to my will. I want to give myself some extra here. I'm gonna mark this one to cut, and then I need it to bend about right here. I'm gonna cut it there. I want to bend it right here, and then I'll put a screw through the bottom of it. So you know that means we gotta get my favorite tool, the metal cutting saw. Typically, I would have a vise, and I would stick this bad boy in a piece of in a vise right here, and you could just bend this manually, but I don't have a vise, so I'm gonna have to find something to improvise this bad boy with. Oh, probably do it on the old trailer hitch right here. Got a little bit of an angle to it. There we go. Now we're working that out. I bent it a little too much. It's a little too far down. It's all right. Let's bend it back. There we go. Rock up a little bit. All right, I think this thing is gonna hold some birds. Well, I got it all up there and realized I didn't burn these. Now everything is looking pretty similar.